how to enter a market or how to execute a trade. Just the spot price, we should choose the Nifty spot price is 25,346, 25,346, 25,346. Then the strike price we select 25,300. Oh, no problem. Then 25,300, 115 and 38, 115 and 38, 115 and 38, 115 for call, 38 for put. Okay, then the prediction is generated. Two options is generated. First one, price downwards. Second one, the price upwards. Okay, then now we know that the price, the Nifty, sorry, not Nifty, not Nifty, not Nifty. Here the call price. Okay, call price means here. Now the call price is moving up, right? The call price is moving up. Okay, then we try to copy this 120, 124. Okay, here we copy and paste 120, 124. Actually, now this is in the second option. Now you know that the second option is 109 to 119. Oh, sorry, 113. Actually, the point of our strike is above one. It's now 117. That means it is not between the first option entry range. Okay, so we choose 120 to 124. Listen carefully. We draw here a chart. 120, I choose 120, 121 or 122, 121. 121 to 136, 136, 136, 137. Okay, here. This is the range. Clear? This is the range. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Now, the strike point is not in the range. Clear? It's only 116. Maybe it's go down. We can't execute trade now. We waiting for the strike price to come in between 120 to 124. Then also we need to check is it sustain or not. We need to check is it sustain or not. How to check is it sustain or not? It's very simple. You should check the 3 minutes and 5 minutes chart. Okay, 5 minutes chart is here and 3 minutes chart is not. Is big difference, but there is some difference. The the sustain means this candle or the next candle, 3 minutes candle touch here. Then also one more thing is that next candle, that means now this candle is 14.12, that means 2 o'clock, 2 hour 12 minutes. Then the next candle 2 hour 50 minutes. Okay, next candle, this 2 hour 80 minutes candle, we check the candle is generated. This candle is generated and next candle generated above this range, or between in this range. Candle generated in between in this range. This is very simple. It's very simple. Then only we execute the trade. Not now. This is not the right time. Maybe the candle touch the point, but you don't execute the trade. You don't enter the buy range. Not enter the market. The second thing is next candle. Next candle means 14.12. Second candle 14.15. Next candle generated in between this range, 120 and 124, in between this range. This is very important. This is scientifically proved as an algorithm. Scientifically proved algorithm. We can simply trade in this pattern. Also, okay, we will check now. We generate another one on our Sensex. Okay, Sensex. Here, select the Sensex option. Sensex spot price. Check the spot price is 82,717. 82,717. 82,717. Strike 82,600. Okay, 82,600. Then the premium 82,600 premium is 11838. 11 sorry 472 217 472 217 uh, 472 217. Yeah, there is prediction is generated. Now on call we need to know the call positions. Move. Actually it's move downwards. No problem. The price is 473 473 473 473. Okay, actually this we need to copy from here. Select the copy button, then click here, then copy paste here. Yeah, and then we draw. Here one. Yeah, between this range 36 point, between this range. Nice. But we need to check. Actually here we need to check. Actually this is touch, but don't execute the trade. The next candle means next candle generated in between the range is then only we can execute the trade. My English is not good English. Yeah, look, the next candle we generated is not touch or not in between. This is Nifty. This first one Nifty. This is not the best time to enter the market. Here there is a small chance, but actually the touch the position, but not the best time, because not the best time. We need to check. Then only our next candle means next 3 minutes candle, 14.48. Oh, sorry, 14.18. That candle maybe it's generated in between the entry point. Then only we execute the trade. No. There's also this not no. Also the next candle not in between. So this is not the right time to enter the market. This is how easily trade in our platform. Yeah, look Nifty. The another candle is not generated, not touch the point. Yeah, look. Yeah, look. Very simple. Now it's not the best time. Look, same situation in Sensex. Same situation in Sensex and same situation in Nifty. This is how ended in the market.